Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have in brackets x squared minus 2 all raised to power 2 is equals 12x plus 13, and here we have to solve for the value of x. So x is the unknown we have to solve for. To solve this, solution. So we have in brackets x squared minus 2 all raised to power 2 equals 12x plus 13. So, looking at this right here, x squared minus 2 all squared, this is in the form of, in brackets, a minus b all raised to power 2. And if you have a minus b raised to power 2, this equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. In this case, the value of a is equal to x squared, okay? The value of b is equal to 2. So then, expanding x squared minus 2 all squared, we have a squared, a is x squared, that becomes x squared all raised to power 2 minus 2 times a is x squared times b is 2 plus b is 2, so 2 squared equals, we have 12x, then plus 13. So from here, x squared all squared is equal to x raised to power 4, then minus 2 times x squared times 2, that is minus 4x squared, plus 2 squared is 4, equals 12x plus 13. From here, we are then going to move this over to this side and also move 13 over to the other side. What we then have is this. We have x raised to power 4, then minus 4x squared, then move 12x over to this side, minus 12x, we have plus 4, move 13 over to this side, minus 13 equals, here becomes 0. So from here, x raised to power 4 minus 4x squared minus 12x plus 4 minus 13, that will give us minus 9 equals 0. At this junction, we are going to apply a trick, and the trick is this. We'll bring in x raised to power 3 minus x raised to power 3. This will give us 0, but then we'll insert this into this equation. It will not change this equation because the value equals 0. So what we then have is this, x raised to power 4, then impute this into the equation. We have plus x raised to power 3 minus x raised to power 3, then we have this minus 4x squared, then minus 12x minus 9, this equals 0. At this junction, looking at this right here, okay, this x raised to power 4 plus x raised to power 3, we can factorize out x raised to power 3. And what we then have is this, x plus 1. Then we have minus x raised to power 3. Also, minus 4x squared. This can be written as minus x raised to power 2 minus 3x raised to power 2. Then we have minus 12x minus 9 equals 0. So with this, we have x raised to power 3 into bracket x plus 1. If we factorize minus x squared from this, we have minus x squared into bracket. We are left with x plus 1. Then we have minus 3x squared. Minus 12x can be written as minus 3x minus 9x. Then we have minus 9. This equals 0. So with this, we have x raised to power 3, okay, into bracket x plus 1, then minus x squared into bracket x plus 1. And from here, this equation, this we can factorize out minus 3x. So minus 3x into bracket, we are left with x plus 1. And from this, minus 9x minus 9, factorize out minus 9, we are left with x plus 1. And this equals to 0. So at this junction, looking at this equation, we have a common factor, x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1, and x plus 1. So factorize out x plus 1, we are left with x to the power 3 then minus x squared, then minus 3x, and minus 9. All of this equals 0. At this junction, we can equate this to 0 or equate this to 0. So we have x plus 1 equals 0, or x raised to the power 3 minus x squared minus 3x minus 9. This equals 0. Okay, so from this linear equation, the value of x will equal minus 1. With this, we have gotten the first solution for the value of x. What of the other solutions for the value of x? So from this equation that we have x raised to the power 3, then we can express this minus x squared as minus 3x squared plus 2x squared. So this right here becomes minus 3x squared, then plus 2x squared. Then we have minus 3x and minus 9, which equals 0. From here, we can factorize out x raised to the power 2 from this. Factorizing out x raised to the power 2, we have x and then minus 3. Okay, then from here, we have plus 2x squared. Also, we can write this minus 3x. Minus 3x can be written as minus 6x plus 3x. So this becomes minus 6x plus 3x. Then we have minus 9, which equals 0. Then x raised to power 2 into bracket x minus 3. So from this right here, we can factorize out plus 2x. So we have x minus 3. Then from this, we can factorize out plus 3. So we have x minus 3. All of this equals 0. Okay, now looking at this, we have also a common factor, which is x minus 3, x minus 3, and x minus 3. So factorize out x minus 3. We are going to be left with x squared, then plus 2x, then plus 3. All of this equals 0. So from here, we can equate these two to 0 such that we have x minus 3 equals 0, or the second one, this right here, that we have x squared plus 2x plus 3 equals 0. And from this linear equation, we can deduce that the value of x is equal to plus 3. So this is the second solution for the value of x. Now, while for this other equation, which is a quadratic equation, to solve for x, we're going to make use of the quadratic formula. And the formula is given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And in this equation, the value of a is equal to the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. The value of b is the coefficient of x, which is plus 2. And the value of c is the constant, which is plus 3. So inputting these values a, b, c into the formula, the solution for x is then equal to minus b is 2 plus or minus square root b squared. That will become 2 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 3 all over 2 times a is 1. And with this, the value of x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 1, 4 times 3, that will give us 12 all over 2 times 1 is 2. So from here, the solution for x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 12 is minus 8, then over 2, and x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus, we can write root minus 8 as root 4 times root 2 times root minus 1. This will give us root minus 8 all over 2. So x is then equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 4 is 2 times root 2 times root minus 1 is I all over 2. And from here, we can factorize out 2 such that x is then equal to 2 into bracket here becomes minus 1 plus or minus root 2i, then all over 2. So 2 cancel 2, the value of x equals minus 1 plus or minus root 2i, such that x3 is equal to minus 1 plus root 2i, while x4 is equal to minus 1 minus root 2i. Okay, so these are the third and the fourth solution for the value of x. While for the first solution, right here, the first solution is equal to minus 1, second solution is equal to 3. So putting this together, we have for x1 this equals minus 1, for x2 this equals 3. So these are the four solutions for the value of x. With this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.